In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make these viral ASMR mouth-eating shorts. Take a look at channels posting this type of content. Almost every upload is pulling in millions of views. So if you want to learn how to create satisfying ASMR mouth-eating videos, make sure you watch until the end, because I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish. Now let's get started. The first step is getting your prompts right. To make things easier, I've included a Google Doc in the description below containing a prompt template specifically designed for this niche. Simply copy the prompt and paste it into your favorite AI tool. In this tutorial, we're using ChatGPT. Once you paste the prompt and click Enter, the AI will ask you for a few details about the type of ASMR candy video you want to create, such as the candy type, color, lip style, and special effects. Take your time and enter the details you want, then submit your response. Within seconds, the AI will generate a highly detailed cinematic image prompt designed to create realistic and satisfying ASMR mouth-eating visuals. The AI will also generate a professional video animation prompt that transforms your static image into a realistic ASMR animation with smooth movements, satisfying effects, and eye-catching visuals that keep viewers watching until the end. Now it's time to bring your AI-generated ASMR mouth-eating video to life. Head over to OpenArt and click on Image, which will take you directly to the image creation section. First, choose your image generation model. For this tutorial, you can use either NanoBanana 2 or ChatGPT 2. Next, go back to ChatGPT and copy the image prompt we generated earlier. Return to OpenArt and paste the prompt into the prompt box. Now set your aspect ratio to 9:16. Then select 2K resolution to ensure your visuals are sharp and detailed. Set your output quantity to 2 so you can choose between multiple variations. Once everything is ready, click Generate. Within moments, the AI will create stunning, ultra-realistic ASMR candy visuals based on your prompt. Review the results, select your favorite image, and click Use Image. Then choose Image to Video to open the animation workspace. For the video generation model, we're using Kling AI 3.0. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the video animation prompt, and paste it into OpenArt. Next, choose your preferred video resolution and set the duration based on how long you want your ASMR short to be. Once everything is configured, click Generate. In just a short time, your AI-generated ASMR mouth-eating video will be ready. Now let's take a look at the final result. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comment section.